This is Christmas and the New Year. Decoration of Marmaris. This is next to fountain, and I'm gonna bring you around. Gonna show you what's going on in Marmaris and how is Christmas fair. The nuts of in Turkey, definitely must try it, because I don't know if you know it, but most of the nuts around the world goes from Turkey anyway, and this aisle has the nuts and different kind of Turkish delights. Just right next to it is shalgam. It's very favorite is carrot juice, red carrot juice. Next to it a spice shop, herb shop, soap, natural soaps, handmade soaps. And right next to it honey, jams, honey and jams, and different kind of oils, all natural oils here as well. You can get it. I will bring you to other side, that side, and that aisle you can have proper Turkish food, like from all around Turkey. Like for example, in the beginning there is a char kebab. Let me show you. There's char kebab. It's like a doner kebab, but it's different cut of the meat and is cooked on the charcoal, definitely wood charcoal, and slow, very slow cook. And next to it is all Turkish stuff, bulgur rice, meat, the meat, and all Turkish taste just right here. So if you get hungry, right down here you can come and enjoy the proper Turkish food as well. Hello everybody, welcome back. Where am I? I made it like a live video, but I want to make a better video for you. In Marmaris is a Christmas fair, and I think you should know what is happening in Christmas fair in Marmaris. Let's go around, let me show you. Stay till the end of the video, so see what's in this Christmas fair for you. Maybe something you need, maybe you're missing out something else. Stay with me. This is the honey aisle, all the honeys and all like best honey of the world, you know. This is called Kara Kovanbalı. As you see the price, 800 lira, which is about 36 pound or 37 or something like that. Why is that expensive? Because they make this honey in 1 year, all the bees, and they don't just cut it in like every 3 months. They just get the honey, wait 1 year to make it in this sun, like in the pot like this, you know. And they make it up on the hill, up the mountain, you know. Specifically, it's good for a lot of things. Good for cancer, lots of cancer illness people. The doctor even saying you should use this honey. Is good for you, you know. When you come to Marmaris, if you have any illness or any cancer illness, is somebody you know, you should go to honey shops. There's a couple of honey shops around the Marmaris. Ask anybody, they will tell you. Get some honeys, guys. It's working. I tried with some of my guests, and it's good for the loss of illness, especially for the cancer. And this aisle is from the Çiğ Köfte Gaziantep, specifically hot chili one, and there's not chili one. I tried it before. Must try this, guys. If you like chili, you can have a chili, or if you don't like chili, you can have like a not chili one. It's we call it çiğ köfte, which is like raw meat, but it's not raw meat anymore. They make it with the couscous, you know, and lots of different herbs and spice inside it, and put in the lettuce, and put a couple of drop of lemon. That's gorgeous. Try it definitely when you come around here. Here's that. He will be helping you, no problem. Only 60 lira, about £2.50. They didn't forget the kids. For the kids, there is a aisle, like the toys and stuff, and there's a shooting range, and there is a toys around the other side of the this is what would you call it, fair. And you can walk and you can find all of them around it. It's for the kids, for adults, for food or for drinks. But this bit is just for like you shoot the balloon and then you get like a prize of it. Awesome. The kids will gonna love it. What do you think? Is your kids gonna love this if they're here? Or if you're around here, just pop in. And of course you can't forget the nuts. It's a nuts aisle as well here. If you like a nuts, you can come in and get your nuts. Why not? Yep. Look at this. How nice it is. All decoration and everything. And all around the fountain, it is aisle like this. Lots of different things happening. And for you, it's all for you guys. It's open for a month, open for a month. So if you're around here, just come and visit and enjoy the fair. Aisle is not gonna finish, so look at this. Everywhere with a lots of different stuff on it. I need to go around and show you. There's a nuts aisle. There is the four balloons for the kids, and there is a books. There is a spice sausage. There is a lot of things, guys, around here. You must come and see what is going on in Marmaris. Christmas time, nearly here. You can jump in the flight and come to Dalaman straight away. Dalaman airport is open through the winter as well. I think once a week. So have a look online, on the Jet2 or EasyJet, one of them doing it. Have a look and find it. If you want it, you can have your Christmas in Marmaris. At the moment, it's about 20 degrees nearly, and a pound is nearly 22.50. Pound is 22.50. The best time to come to actually for holiday. In the Christmas time, how cheap is it? You can't imagine, guys. Most of the stuff is so cheap. The clothes, shoes, bags and stuff in the Grand Bazaar, they will do the cheaper than summertime, because no tourists and stuff, and the shop's still open. Come and visit Marmaris. Marmaris waiting for you. See you later. I hope this video been helpful to you. More video coming. Stay with me, be with me, enjoy with me. Subscribe the channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Press that like button, please. Comments below. What do you like in Turkey? What taste do you like in Turkey? Which food is your favorite food in Turkey? Tamam abi.
Vallahi para veriyor. 180 milyon var bunda. Yalan ne?
Turkish herbs, as a cumin, pepper, black red pepper, a lot of red pepper, very chili pepper, very chili pepper, and very chili pepper. 150 lira, 240 lira for per kilo. That's cheap. If you like herbs and spice and things like that, the Turkey is the one of the place you should definitely get some spice before you go back home, And this aisle at the moment has everything you're looking for. It's from Gaziantep, which is from southeast of Turkey as well, where most of the herbs and stuff comes from. That land is like very wealthy land, and right next to it is a spice sausage. If you like spice sausage, definitely must come and try some. Even free, they're gonna give you free test of spice sausage. You will see a couple of aisles. That's the spice sausage. You can buy it like so much cheaper than like the big shops and stuff. While this is happening, kids on site. If you have a kids, there's a balloon and some toys and stuff just right here. Christmas is right here. Marmaris ready for Christmas and New Year. What is around here? I've been last couple of days around the Marmaris. Let me show you. Stay with me till end of the video. See what is going on. This is the Times Square, I call it. Is a fountain area in the Marmaris. Down the harbour here, just not too far from the statue. And it is lots of different stuff around here. There is a, from all around Turkey, different kind of goods, like a cheese, butters for example on this one. Butter, this is a cheese and butter, but it's from the other side of Turkey, which is the Black Sea area. And in this side, it's from next to Istanbul, is Izmit, and it's a dessert. And they're fresh making it, you know. And next to it, some other, the favorite thing, künefe from Hatay as well. So it's a dessert aisle. It's so much here. Whole around the fountain is made like this kind of tent and has each of them something different. I was just gonna walk here around so you can see it, okay? This is the dessert aisle. Kolay gelsin kardeşim. It's all dessert from all around Turkey. This one is from Mersin. Mersin is from southeast of Turkey. It's very half is made from grapes juice, and there's a date, and with the nuts mix. This is aisle. This aisle whole is like a Turkish delight, and dessert and sweeties. And proper Turkish delight is only 120 lira. £6, £6, £6, £5, £5.50, £3. £7, £7. These £7 all this aisle. And when I turn behind me, it is a colonia aisle. Has all different kind of colonia. The soap stand, I don't know what would you call it. Soap stand is like a kermes, you know, here. And this bit has a Black Sea area and has the proper Turkish, what we call it, pasta, handmade pasta and breakfast sauce. I'm going around. Just right beside me, it's the cave, okay? This cave, you should definitely come and visit if you are here in the summertime. It's just right next to fountain. In the summertime, it's the fountain here. It's called Singing Fountain. About 3-4 times a night. This is a show here. Let me walk you down here.